Welcome back to and this guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to buy Bitcoin on Trust Wallet using debit card. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do if you haven't already is to click the download option, and these are the options and platforms that you can choose from. Download for iOS, download for Android, and download for Chrome. And by following the on-screen instructions, you're good to go. Using a debit card to buy Bitcoin directly from Trust Wallet is a straightforward and convenient way, allowing you to purchase Bitcoin quickly without needing to transfer funds from other accounts. Because debit card transactions are typically processed instantly, allowing you to receive your Bitcoin almost immediately. Now, you can do this on the mobile device, on the desktop application, or your Google Chrome extension. It's all the same process. Like, they have the same interface. Now, once you are here, all you're gonna do is click on the buy and sell option. And of course, I wanted to buy Bitcoin, right? Now, the thing is, for example, you're using the, you can choose currency that you wanted. For example, if you use US dollars, what will happen is you can put the certain amount, like maybe 20, like 50, I don't know, you can put like 100. The thing is, you have the options to pay with credit card, and that's gonna be the default. If you try other currencies such as Euro, it's the same thing, right? Or if you use GBP, that's the same thing. But the thing is, if you use the MoonPay right here, or rather Mercurio, I want you to click on this option. What will happen is you can complete your order and pay using your credit or debit card Visa, right? And all I'm gonna do is click on continue. Mercurio gives you the option to buy Bitcoin using your debit card and gives you the best rate. I need you to click on continue. I need you to put your email and just follow the on-screen instructions, and you would receive the notification that the transaction of buying Bitcoin using your debit card on Trust Wallet has been successful. Now, let me tell you, if you encounter any technical difficulties or glitch along the way, you might want to contact the Trust Wallet support, and from there type in your question, all right, something else, and to see if you get an answer. All right, thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.